Have you ever heard that plum helps with constipation? Do you know any other benefits of this fruit? Prunes are famous for being natural laxatives and are widely used in these types of recipes. Undoubtedly, the most famous of these recipes is plum water. Have you heard of it? If you have ever tried it, share your experience with us. However, plum has many other benefits besides being a laxative. Let's see them. 1. Helps with constipation. Prunes have lots of fiber, which makes the laxative effect more than only some immediate relief. Regular consumption of prunes helps regulate bowel movements, being even more effective than industrial laxatives. 2. Improves sight. Prunes are rich in vitamin A, making them crucial to improve your vision and prevent diseases like night blindness, cataracts, and macular degeneration. 3. Rich in antioxidants. With a high concentration of antioxidants, manganese, and iron, prunes fight off the damage caused by free radicals in our cells. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 4. Protects against brittle bones. A single portion of prunes can replenish the potassium of women going through menopause, strengthening their bones. Besides, prunes also have an anti-inflammatory function that is important to treat arthritis. 5. Improves skin health. The combination of antioxidants in prunes also revitalizes the skin, keeping it smooth and free of wrinkles. 6. Promotes cardiovascular health. Since they are high in potassium, prunes also help regulate blood pressure. They also reduce the occurrence of strokes and heart attacks. 7. Treats split ends. Besides being a big source of potassium, prunes also have lots of iron. It naturally strengthens the hair, preventing split ends. It is important to note that, although prunes have lots of benefits, they are also high in sugar, so you need to watch how much you eat. People with diabetes need to consult a nutritionist before increasing the number of prunes they eat per day. People who are trying to lose weight should also pay attention to the sugar contents in prunes. The benefits of prunes and plums can be enjoyed in many ways, as the fruit goes well with many recipes. Do you like prunes? How do you like eating them? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.